Yeah, that's really beautiful. So nice blueberries. Actually, the heaviest blueberry weighed about
Brunch that brings the breeze. Catch the flavor wave.
Hosted by Imran.
Hello there, brunch breezers. Good morning to everyone. Happy to see you again. It's 8:30 in the morning and I need some breakfast because I'm starving. And what a better way to have a breakfast than a nice tropical fruit salad for the summer heat. So today we have some oranges, bananas, blueberries. Maybe we will use lemons, we'll see. And we have some pumpkin seeds and some raisin and peanut butter. So let's get started. First off, we're gonna slice 2 bananas. Everybody has a different way to open and eat a banana. I personally like to take the peel from the side. One and then another one. So we take the banana and we cut it on a few slices, not very thin one. Then we do the same thing with the other. Then put it aside. Now we take one orange and we remove the peel from it with the knife, like this. It's usually really hard to remove the peel from an orange, but if you have a nice sharp knife, it's pretty easy. You can always use the peel, by the way, in bakery, so you can save it for later. Okay, so now after you have removed the peel, slice in a few pieces this body. Okay, so we're almost done. Now we have the easiest part, that is putting a few blueberries. Okay, so you can put the blueberries right next to the orange.
Catch the flavor wave.
Hosted by Imran. Hosted by Imran.
Look at this, it's so beautiful. You know, I thought that I can do this on a plate, but I'm not doing it on a plate because on the board it looks way better. And now with the rest of the blueberries, you can just throw them over the banana and the orange. Yeah, that's really beautiful. So nice blueberries. Did you know that actually the heaviest blueberry that has a Guinness World Record in 2018 in Peru weighed about 11.5 grams, which is pretty heavy for a blueberry. And also they contain compounds, which means that if you store them in the same fridge, in the same box with the other fruits, this is gonna keep them fresher. This banana is really soft, really tasty. The banana is actually really interesting because there are more than 1,000 varieties of bananas, 1,000 sorts. You know, they are not just only this yellow one that we all know, but they are red, black, and even blue one, like these blueberries. And the one guy that is credited for discovering the bananas is Alexander the Great. During his trip in India in 327 BC, he discovered the banana and he brought the banana to the Western world as we know it today. Okay, so we're done with slicing. Now it's time for a little taste. Okay, so we're gonna use some raisin. Just throw them up like this. And we're gonna use a few pumpkin seeds. And last but not least, my favorite one, the maple syrup. Oh yeah. This would make the salad way more shiny. And if you're in some cafeteria or in a restaurant, people would love to eat this salad because they do love shiny things. Okay guys, so we're done. That was it for today. Easy and breezy and tasty. I hope you like this tropical fruit salad. You can try to do this on your own. It's not hard. It's work for 5-6 minutes, maybe even less if you're better than me, and I'm sure you are. And look at this shiny thing. This result will amaze you. You're not gonna regret about it. That's it for today. We're done. Tropical fruit salad with maple syrup is in the book, and I don't know about you, but I think that I can definitely eat this one and enjoy it. Tune in the next episode to see what I'm cooking, or should I say what I'm brunching for you. I'll give you a hint. Always breezy thing. See you on the next one.